How to download and install Duolingo app? Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the Duolingo application can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first step is you need to open up your Google Play Store on your device. And in the upper section of the search bar, you have to type and search for Duolingo. Once you do that, you will be easily able to see this application. Simply tap on install option at the right hand side and it will take a few seconds to install it, which depends upon your internet connection. Once you install the app, you can either log into your account, or if you don't have an account, then you can create your account over there. Duolingo app is a very effective app in which you can learn Spanish, French, German, Italian, English and many more languages for free. You can take the regular classes or you can practice and you'll be able to learn easily. And there will be the different way to make you learn and practice that. You can sign up and try for that. And after a few seconds, you can see Duolingo application has been installed on my device. You can simply tap on open and you can go for further process. So this is how you download and install Duolingo application. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.